Good day and welcome to all our Paint Prime powered by Hyperpaint VIP viewers. My name is Natalie and today I will be showing you how to paint a bathroom that has flaking and damp walls. There are normally a few reasons that flaking and dampness occurs. This is due to moisture or very poor ventilation. These are the products that you will need: a mixing stick, water-based damp shield, Dulux Bathroom Plus, some water, a drop sheet, a propyle roller, 36mm masking tape, an acrylic silicone, a silicone gun, a P100 sandpaper, safety glasses, 75mm brush, 38mm brush, an 8cm scraper, some gloves, sugar soap, a tray, and mutton cloth. Step 1. You would first lay your drop sheet down and need to make sure all the windows are open for enough ventilation to come through. Step 2. Now you will put your gloves and safety glasses on, as you don't want to get any dust or paint bits into your eyes. Step 3. Here we have our flaking and moistured wall. Using a scraper, we're going to scrape off all the flaking paint. Remember to get as much as you possibly can off, because the more you get off, the better. Also remembering the little moisture bubbles that can be very deceiving, so scrape them off as much as possible. Step 4. After scraping, we will use some sandpaper just to smooth out all the rough edges. Step 5. Normally, between the corners and the wall, there is a gap. Here we will use acrylic silicone to seal the gap. But before that, we will remove all the excess silicone and whatever else is there before sealing it. We will leave that to dry while we prep the rest of the wall. Step 6. Now we will wash the wall down with some polycell sugar soap. Depending on how bad the wall is, you will either use a half a cup of sugar soap to 5 liters of hot water or a full cup to 5 liters of hot water. This will remove all the fungus and dust that was caused during the sanding. After washing it down, we will rinse it well with some clean water. Step 7. Before we start painting, it is always advisable to apply masking tape either to the ceiling and the wall or to any shower doors or skirting boards to prevent any excess mess. Step 8. We will now use the Dulux water-based damp shield to apply to the places that were flaking. The damp shield is used to bind the chalky residue and to stop the flaking. We should stir the paint correctly with a mixing stick or a flat wooden stick, bringing the paint from the bottom as it settles while standing. The damp shield should be left 4 to 6 hours to dry, but for best results, it's always better to be left overnight to cure properly and to stop the dampness from reoccurring. Step 9. After applying the water-based damp shield, we will apply one of 2 coats of the Dulux Bathroom Plus using a propyle roller due to the fact that it has less hair than a normal roller, giving it a nice thin coat. The Bathroom Plus can be recoated within 4 to 6 hours, giving it a nice smooth finish. And there you have it, your flaking and damp bathroom looking brand new. Thank you for joining us. Please be on the lookout for our next DIY tips and tricks video. And if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us.